Hello there, it's Alan McGilivray from Alan McGilivray Real Estate in Surfers Paradise. Well, next weekend it's Easter, and of course after that we do have then the start of the Commonwealth Games. So there'll be a lot of people up here visiting the Gold Coast for Easter and also for the Commonwealth Games. So they'll be all enjoying the hospitality of what's here on the Gold Coast. So we're hoping that those people will enjoy the hospitality and of course and then come back and stay here again. Real estate on the Gold Coast is certainly still good buying on the real estate here on the Gold Coast. We're still a lot cheaper than Sydney or Melbourne. So if you're thinking of buying up here, you can buy up here and have money over. If you have a unit and you'd like to know the value of what your unit may bring if it's on the market, please let us know. You can go to our webpage www.alanmcgilvray.com.au and we'll assist you in giving you what we believe the market price would be now. If you're thinking of renting your unit, permanently that is, we only handle permanent rentals, so if you want to rent your unit permanently, let us know. We'd certainly like to be able to help you there in renting your unit. Now the weather up here is good, nothing wrong with the weather, it's excellent. People are up here enjoying it, as I say, enjoying the beach, enjoying the theme parks, enjoying the restaurants. No better place than to come up here and enjoy it, not only holiday, but in fact live up here. So don't forget, if you're on the Gold Coast, call in, say hello, we'd love to see you.